Hey everyone, Casey here with a Bank of Tron update. I am still in love with this site, with the contract. I am still adding my 1,000 coins every day to it. So let's go through it real quick. Again, this one's 3.7 to 6.7 per day, depending upon which contract you do. So here are the four contracts. 3.7% is forever, 4.7 is 45 days, 5.7 is 25 days, and 6.7 is 18 days. I have a couple of each of, I have like 2 or 3 contracts with these 3. And then I have a bunch at the 6.7. I have been pulling out. I've already received 9,500 of my 18,000 I have invested, so I'm over the 50% mark. Here's a list of all of my contracts. So 3.7, I'm over halfway there. At the 4.7, I'm over halfway. The 5.7, I've almost ROI'd on that one. Almost ROI'd. Getting closer on each of these. This 6.7, I have already made my return on investment. So that one's probably got another 4 days left. Let's keep scrolling down. So 6.7, I'm at 800, 5.7, 688. So, and then this is where I started just dumping 1,000 Tron every day at the 6.7. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days in a row. I've got to do another one today. I need to get some more Tron. So, yep, just moving along on that one. We'll take a... I'm over halfway in profits, so that's kind of exciting for me personally. It'll keep growing and eventually I'll get there. Let's scroll back up here and take a look at the contract. Let's take a look at the balance. It's at 260,684,000. So it has dipped from its peak up here at 282 million, and it's slowly starting to come back down. I mean, you're talking that's still a long ways to fall. Probably about 180 million. I may not put any in, but we're still so far away from that I'm not that worried yet. Just kind of keep an eye on your contracts, watch the values of them. I mean, I'm not concerned with this one as of yet. I'm more of I'm just gonna keep an eye on it, and when it starts getting really low, like once it hits under 200, I'll probably start slowing down, start working on getting all of my money back out, or at least to where I'm good on my total dividends based on my investment, because 18,000 Tron is quite a bit. Let's see. Coin Gecko. $18,495 in the site. So that's more than I normally like to keep in there, but we'll just let it ride. I've already pulled out how much? 9544. Where'd my tab go? 9544. So $262 of it back out. So just gonna let it keep going, keep adding. I gotta get some more Tron in my wallet. I spent some today in the Just Swap liquidity pools, so once I get another 1,000 today, I'll put it in there. Should only take me a couple hours to get 1,000, hopefully. Maybe up to 6 hours. And then I'll add another one to this and keep this pattern going. Alright, if y'all have any questions on this one, if you want to join my team, there'll be a link in the description. If you're not going to use my referral code, at least use somebody's. And there's no reason not to. It doesn't cost you anything more. But it helps whoever you use out. So, y'all have a wonderful day. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And we'll grow and learn together. Talk to y'all later. Goodbye.